To put this into perspective, let's say you're going to make an argument, oh, my autonomous vehicle is safe because I use some simulation, some other things. How does that shake out? Well, to trust the system, you would have to put your own child, notionally, in front of this self-driving car. It has 10 billion simulation miles, but what if there's a simulation error? It has 100 million miles of data collected to try and sweep up all the edge cases. But what if it's still missing some of the edge cases that happen less frequently than that, but when they happen, they happen? Maybe there's 10 million miles of road testing. Now, 10 million miles is not a billion miles by any stretch, but it might be okay if it's there to make sure that the data you've collected matches the real world and to validate the simulation. But what if there are high-risk simulations that you didn't try in road testing, and that's where the simulation differs from the real world? So you have to take care of that issue. And what if the entire thing was designed with research quality tooling that didn't have any safety qualification for the tools, for the compilers, for the simulators, for the machine learning training and management software, and so on? And what if there's a 5% error rate in the labels for your training data? That's not an unusual kind of number. Are you going to trust that system? Well, the issue is you can't just say the car needs to be safe. Not only the software stack, but the entire tool chain and data quality needs to be validated to be suitable for life-critical systems. This is a heavy lift, but it's the kind of thing you need to do if you're going to build a life-critical system.